Next.
Madam Rachel, Rainier Ace, Madam. Rainier Ace says, Madam, this one, extra small. Yung ganda, Madam. For only 60. Extra small to small. Mine, Maginoo. Madam, scroll up, Pukim. Wait lang, Dam, ha. Welcome, Madam Star. Maginoo, Madam Amarose, Tudtud. Yours is si Maginoo. Please ka screenshot, Dam. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Dam, this one, ang ganda. Small, Madam, 60. Mine, OOTD. Mine, OOTD. Small, Madam. For only 60 pesos. Mine, OOTD. Small, Madam, 60. OOTD. Small, 60 pesos. Next time, Madam.
Mayan, OOTD.
Busay tao.
Madam Beth Santos, yours sa si tao, Madam. Please screenshot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, Madam.
Next, Madam.
Madam, this one, medium. Medium, Madam, for 60 pesos. Mine reply. Mine reply, Madam. Medium for 60 pesos. Mine reply for only 60 pesos. Next, Madam.
Mayan, reply.
Madam Rachel Pagampang, thank you sa pag-down payment, Madam. Enjoy mining, Madam.
Down this one, Sammy Matt. Sammy Matt, Madam, for only 60 pesos, Madam. Mine and pencil. Mine pencil, Madam, up to medium. For only 60 pesos, Madam. Mine pencil. Mine pencil, up to medium, Madam, for only 60. Mine pencil, medium, 60. Next, Madam.
Mayan, pencil. Adam, body con. Pa-fit, Madam, for only 60. OOTD. Ayan, Madam Stacy, nakauna din. Madam Stacy, Rauda, yours is si OOTD. Please to screenshot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam Amarose. Madam Rachel, thank you so much, Madam. Enjoy mining, Madam. Adam, small, Madam, for only 60. Extra small to small, mine laban. Mine laban, extra small to small. 60 pesos, body one. Mayan laban, small, Madam, for only 60. Laban. Next na, Madam.
Mayan Laban.
Madam Beth Santos, new miner po kayo, Madam. Please send us your complete details in your 100 pesos down payment. Para di makansa yung item at para makapag-mine pa sa next, Madam. One time only and deductible to your invoice. Please check your messenger, Madam Beth Santos. Meron po kaming piname sa inyo, Madam.
Next, Madam.
Down this one, medium. Medium, Madam, for 60 pesos. Mine pinya. Mine pinya, Madam, medium for 60 pesos. Mayan pinya for only 60 pesos. Next, Madam.
Mayan pinya.
Down this one, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large for only 60 pesos, Madam. Mine DVD. Mine DVD, Madam, medium to semi-large, 60 pesos. Mine DVD, Madam, medium to semi-large, 60. Mine DVD. Next.
Okay na sa reply. Madam Stacy, puhon-puhon na lang, Madam Stacy. Basta manang bukog mayo lang, di na masunod. Charis. Madam Riza Bihag, yours sa si Laban. Please ka screenshot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Madam Riza Bihag, yours na si reply. Please ka screenshot, Madam Riza. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Adam, this one. Ganda ng suot ko daw crop top. Extra small to small. For only 60 pesos, my meeting. Mine meeting, extra small to small. For only 60 pesos, Madam. Mine meeting, small crop top 60, meeting. Next na, Madam.
Mayan meeting. Down this one, small to semi-met. Small to semi-met for 60 pesos. Mine cartoon. Mine cartoon, Madam. Small to semi-met for 60 pesos. Mayan cartoon for only 60 pesos. Next, Madam.
Mayan cartoon.
Madam Beth Santos, thank you sa pag-down payment, Madam. Enjoy mining, Madam.
Down this one, small to medium. Small to medium, Madam, for only 60 pesos. Mine turtle. Mine turtle, Madam, small to medium, for only 60 pesos. pesos. Mine turtle. Mine turtle, madam. Small to medium for only 60. Mine turtle. Next na, madam.
Mayan turtle. Adam, malambot ang tela, medium to semi-large. 60 pesos, madam. Mayan vitamins daw, malambot ang tela. Ang ganda dam ha. Medium to semi-large for only 60. Mayan vitamins up to semi-large. 60 pesos, madam. Mayan vitamins. Next na, madam.
Mine vitamins.
O, down this one, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large with 60 pesos. Mine tuldok. Mine tuldok, madam. Medium to semi-large with 60 pesos. Mayan tuldok for only 60 pesos. Next, madam.
Mayan tuldok. O, down this one for only 60 pesos. Semi-mad to medium. Semi-mad to medium, madam. Mayan parking. Mine parking, madam. Semi-mad to medium. For only 60 pesos, madam. Mine parking. Mine parking. Semi-mad to medium. For only 60 parking. Next, madam.
Mayan parking. Madan siyaan. Wala pag-schedule daw. Pero daw mag-post ng tag-teaser daw ha. Maybe within this month, madam. Mag-post na tag-teaser once magbalik na tag-shorts. Feel lang kadaghag mga pang-pikol. Charis. Mala cartoon eh. Madam Riza Bihag, yours is si cartoon. Please ka screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Madam Beth Santos, yours is si vitamins. Please ka screenshot. 60 pesos. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, Madam Second Minor, Madam Amarose Food. Turtle, parking. Adam, this one, medium sa lalaki, large to XL sa babae. Pero pang lalaki to, madam. Medium sa lalaki, 60. Mine, maskulado. Mine, maskulado. Medium sa lalaki. For only 60 pesos, madam. Mine,